Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to the Growth Mindset Company channel. Today, we're continuing our journey through the FIDIC contracts. And we're focusing on a clause that's all about the money. Clause 2.4, titled Employer's Financial Arrangements. And for those who want a more detailed exploration, don't forget to check out www.wisdomwavishub.com. The link is right there in the description. Let's dive in. Clause 2.4 is all about ensuring the financial viability of the project. It's like a safety net for the contractor, providing assurance about the employer's financial capability to fulfill its obligations under the contract. Purpose: the heart of this clause is to give the contractor the right to request evidence of the employer's financial arrangements. It's like asking, "Hey, can you really pay for this project?" And this is crucial for the contractor to have confidence in the project's successful completion. Implications: now, this clause has some serious implications. For the employer, it means they have to provide evidence of their financial capability within 28 days of the contractor's request. And if they don't, well, the contractor can suspend work or even terminate the contract. Ouch! Key considerations: when navigating this clause, timing is everything. The contractor must request and assess the provided evidence promptly. And if the evidence doesn't look good, the contractor must weigh the implications of suspending or terminating the work. Now, let's visualize this with a flowchart. Imagine a flowchart titled Functionality and Implications of Clause 2.4. It starts with understanding the clause, moves to the employer's requirements, and then dives into the potential actions the contractor can take based on the evidence provided. This flowchart provides a clear roadmap for understanding the clause's functionality and implications. But wait, there's more. We also have a flowchart showcasing the execution of Clause 2.4 and its associations with other clauses. It's like a web of interactions, showing how Clause 2.4 is linked to other clauses like 2.3 and 2.5. It's a visual representation of the intricate dance of clauses in the FIDIC contract. And for those of you who love practical examples, here's a sample letter from the contractor to the employer requesting evidence of financial arrangements. Reads the sample letter. In conclusion, Clause 2.4 is a testament to the importance of financial transparency and assurance in construction contracts. It's a safety net, a confidence booster, and a crucial part of ensuring the project's success. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this content valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. And remember, for a deeper dive, head over to www.wisdomwavishub.com. Until next time, keep learning and growing.